Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to record PC screen with audio. Here are the steps to record your PC screen with audio using OBS Studio. First is to open OBS Studio on your Windows computer. And the sources box at the bottom, click the plus button. Choose Display Capture to record your full screen. Name it Screen Record and click OK. If you have multiple monitors, choose the display you want to record. Then click OK. To record your microphone, go to the audio mixer and make sure mic or aux is active. To record system sound, like game or video audio, ensure desktop audio is active and the audio mixer as well. If not visible, click Settings, Audio, and select your input or output devices. Now, in the settings again, go to Output, Recording, and set your recording path where to save your videos. Choose your recording format, MP4 or MKV recommended, and quality level. On the settings again, go to Video, adjust Base Canvas, and Output Scaled Resolution if needed. If you make changes, just click Apply and OK to confirm. When ready, click Start Recording in the main OBS window. Perform your screen actions while OBS records both screen and audio by opening an app, etc. When done, click Stop Recording, then go to your chosen folder to view the saved video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.